Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Remember to subscribe to my channel and get my channel to 30,000 subscribers. Also, you can find me on all other social media platforms at Fanika TV. Guys, it's the 5th day of Vlogmas, guys, and I want you guys to also comment and tell me how your Christmas planning go. Yeah guys, so today I will just get my fruits them ready, soaked and stuff, which me know say by right them should have not soak already, but you know I add some, but we end up use them, guys, because in my family we like bakings, so we will always bake, right? So yeah guys, stay tuned for this beautiful video and tell me if you like my outfit. Yeah guys, stay tuned. Remember guys, do not watch the video and don't subscribe. So yeah guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys all the fruits that I'm going to be using and blending up together today. So me go blend them. No, so today is the 5th of December, and by next week I'm going to be using them to make my Christmas pudding, and I also want to make the Christmas cake as well and the sorrel one as well, right? Because most people don't know that the Christmas pudding is different from the Christmas cake. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm going to be using. A matter of fact, these are the fruits that I have gotten, and I think they are like the most popular ones that people use on a day-to-day basis when they make Christmas pudding. So yeah guys, stay tuned for that. So I'm gonna show you what I do now. So yeah guys, me get some yellow raisins. It's the first time I see it, yellow raisins. So yeah, I'm like raisins, especially when it's blended. Yeah, I have some what do you call them, a mixed peel. Yes, so these are some mixed peels that I'm going to be blending together. And you know, say me like prunes, they're my favorite, so I bought a lot of prunes. Yes, we need to get some more cherry, guys, to put on top of the cake, but these are my cherries that I'm going to be using. And you know, so you have to have your red label wine to blend up these things together. So I have my red label wine, I have liquor rum. I don't really drink alcohol, so I just put a little bit in it. And these are the container, guys, so you need a glass container to soak your fruits in. It's much better, to be honest, so get yourself a glass container. I don't know why, but my granny used to tell me to soak your fruits in a glass container. So yeah guys, I can't ask her why, no, that's asking mother. So yeah guys, stay tuned. We're gonna blend these fruits together. Remember guys, it's Vlogmas, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Alright guys, so I'm go put the fruits them in the blender now. I have my water and stuff, so I'm just go get all of the fruits them. Water fi go in there. Yeah? Water fi go in there. So bend more. Bend more then. Or just bend a little.
If you want to bend a little, you know, bend it.
Guys, now bring them little bit. Come. Okay, I could have been like little bit more. Just little bit more. May I go blend, guys. Okay, get one more blend and then I throw them in a container. May I blend them little. Good already. So I blend them piece by piece, guys. We're blend up everything now. I'm not sure no doing in this place. Ready Romani wine. Yeah guys, so this is some mommy already blend already. I'm not sure no how smooth it is. So I'm just gonna make that stay for yeah. We're gonna blend it now. Blend the rest of them. Blend the rest. I'm blend some more, guys. I think I could have been a little so yeah guys, them up in the snow and stuff. So stay tuned guys. Vlogmas day 5 guys. Day 5. Don't forget to comment down below and tell me all your so yeah guys, the fruits and done blend. I just throw them inside of the container. And so much fruits me get guys. Full. Full guys, it's full. I go use my hand and scrape up.